Welcome to KOK Party Favors. Today, guys, we're going to be designing a water bottle label and we're going to be designing it in Canva. I have my template open. There will be a link below in the description if you'd like to purchase it in my Etsy shop. So we're going to use a unicorn theme for this design. So what I'm going to do is go over to Elements, and I have unicorn typed in. I'm going to hit enter, and I'm going to search for a unicorn. Okay. All right. They have a lot of beautiful designs here. So we're going to take this unicorn here. Remember I told you where you see the crown and pro? That means you must have a monthly subscription that you pay for. This does not come in the free Canva version, okay? So I am going to resize this. Another thing I want to show you too, whenever you make a mistake with something, hit this left arrow and it will take you all the way back to wherever you consider the best stopping point is, and that's a really nice feature. Okay, and what I'm going to do is duplicate this horse, hit the plus, and I duplicated him. I want to turn him over so they're facing, so I'm going to flip horizontal, and now he is facing the other unicorn. Okay, I think I called him a horse, but it doesn't matter. Okay, we're going to go to the text and we're going to type in happy birthday Shakira, and we're going to move that up. Of course, we're going to resize it. We're going to hit this minus button and get it down to where it's fitting good in our design. And we're going to get it centered. Okay, I have a line vertical, one horizontal. They're meeting together. That lets me know that this text is centered on my label. Now I want to change the color to white, and I want to change the font. I want to change the font to this script, Bukhari script. So I'm going to use that. And now I want to go back to elements and add some more elements to this design. Okay, I like these little hearts here. We'll add them to our design. Put them here. I'm going to send it back one step so that it is not over the unicorn. I want this pink part behind the unicorn. So I'm going to hit the right mouse button and I am going to send backward. That's going to send it backward one step. Okay, so I have that balloon in the back of the unicorn. Okay, we have the unicorn visible. Now I want to go ahead and add another set of these hearts, and we're going to move it over here to the next unicorn. We're going to do the same thing, hold the right mouse button. We're going to send it backward one step to get it behind the unicorn. Okay, now I want to try and flip it so that we have the blue heart over here towards the letter and the pink heart um, back a little bit more under the unicorn. So we're going to flip, we're going to do horizontal, and now we've moved the heart and put it kind of in the same spot as this other heart. Okay, And these pink lines let me know that the bottom of my unicorns are lined up. So, I rest assured that I have them both lined up. There's a line at the top of the unicorns, in the middle, and the bottom. Okay, so it lets me know that I have them lined up. Okay, now I think this one needs to come over, this heart come over a little bit more. We'll bring our unicorn over a little bit more. Okay, so now we have that lined up beautifully. Now I want to see if I can find a rainbow or something like that. I like to have some type of little rainbow in the design. Unicorns are magical and I love rainbows. I think they're magical too. Okay, we'll take this here, a little shooting star or a little rainbow, whatever it is. We're going to take and use that. We're going to turn it. We'll turn it up and put it right behind the unicorn. I'm going to send it back one step so that it is not covering the unicorn. One back. Okay, so the unicorn is in front. We're just going to let them overlap each other. Now I'm going to make a copy of this. We're going to keep our design symmetrical, and I am going to flip this horizontal as well. So that would have the yellow on this side. Okay, so let's see what happens. No, it didn't. I had to do it vertical. I had to do it vertical and turn it upside down. So we're going to move this here, and we're going to send this back so that it is not in front of the unicorn. All right, there you go. Okay. Now, I like to change the color of the background. So let's click on this blue. You see I have the label highlighted. So we're going to go down and look for a good color. Now, as you remember in my previous videos, whatever piece of art that you pull into your design, they're going to have a photo of that artwork right here. It's going to be in this color menu box, and all the colors that are included in that piece of art is going to be shown here so that you can select complementary colors to your design. But I don't think I want either one of those colors. So I'm going to go to a teal blue and see what that looks like. That's pretty. Let's try this hot pink. That's pretty too. Let's see. Purple is pretty too. Okay. I think I'll go with this teal color. So this is our design, and I think it looks nice. So this will end the design